So we changed up our accessory arms. We switched from a single piece machine weldment with a fixed offset to this two-piece design. This two-piece design gives you offset adjustment in and out, as well as a rotational adjustment. And that allows you to adjust your catalog of accessories to all track exactly the same. That way when you switch between them, it only takes a minimal change on your tracking wheel to get it tracked right down the middle. Also, it gives us creative freedom to design a wider variety of accessories to work with the machine. So let's show you how it works. You'll notice 3 lines on the spindle of the new accessory arms. The first line you see marked there with a black arrow corresponds to the position you should set for contact wheels. The red corresponds to the position you should set it for Platens, and the blue corresponds to where you should set it for small wheel holders. And then you can fine tune it in and out to get the tracking you desire. And once you have that position set, you can use the shaft collar to save whatever that adjustment is. Let's talk about a standard tilting Platen assembly on the new arm. You'll set the offset at the middle line, and you'll use these 2 holes on the flange to mount the chassis. You'll notice that we still have the arc slot cut here for tilting. So instead, we leave that there in case anyone puts this on an old style accessory arm. You still have the option to tilt. But now if you want to tilt, you can simply loosen 1 bolt instead of 2 and set the angle of your tilting Platen assembly wherever you want it. Now there's no need to use dropper plates to adjust the height of your contact wheels because it's built in. If you mount your contact wheel to this hole right here, you can rotate the spindle in the accessory arm to adjust the height of your contact wheel relative to your work rest. Let me show you. Just crack that loose, and as you rotate it, you can see you can fine tune the height of your contact wheel from center line on the work rest to far above. Just lock it down, and you're good to go. Let's go over how to set up your small wheel holder with the new accessory arms. These 2 holes right here are for mounting the small wheel holder itself. These holes are also used as deflector wheel mounts, and we like this style better than the previous design just because it gives you a much more sturdy and precise place to mount the deflector wheels compared to the bracket that we used to have. You can see we use this spacer right here to hold the deflector wheels out centered with the rest of the small wheel holder. The approximate position you're going to want to set your small wheel holder is this line right here, as we went over before. And one of my favorite new features of this design is with the small wheel holder, now you can kick it back just a little bit. That way when you're changing small wheels, gravity holds them in for you. So when you're changing belts, no more dropped small wheels. There's not enough room for your shaft collar to fit in between the small wheel holder and the arm, but you can still use it to save the position that you've used to fine tune the tracking by putting it on the outside. Here's a little sneak peek of something we're going to be coming out with, and it's one of the reasons that we like this new accessory arm design. It's allowed us to design a rotary Platen attachment. So our rotary Platen attachment will have a hardened Platen, hardened to Rockwell C60, backing up this 10-inch span of belt. It'll have an 8-inch slack section and a 6-inch slack section. And you'll set the offset at the middle line on the spindle, the same as the other standard Platen. And being on a rotating spindle design arm allows you to use any of the three sides. You can use the hard backer, the 6-inch slack section, or the 8-inch slack section, and just lock it down wherever you plan on using it. So this is just a prototype of our rotary Platen attachment. I wanted to give you guys a look at how it's going to work with our new accessory arm design. Since we're talking about that, you'll have the third wheel of the rotary Platen attached to the deflector wheel hole on the flange, and then you'll use these two holes to mount the chassis. Now, to load a rubber belt, you push back, and then to add tension, you pull, and then lock down those bolts, and you're ready to go. The final version will have a guard blocking the pinch points from this side, and the chassis will be expanded to block the pinch points from the opposite side. We'll also have wheels with grooves machined to keep the rubber belt tracking down the middle.